Hi, my name is Nex Millen. Most people know me as the guy behind the turntables, but today I'm really excited to be here at the Ingles table. You see, in addition to being a DJ and a teaching artist for Leaf Community Arts, I'm also a dad who cares a lot about making sure my child eats good, healthy, real food. While music is my passion, the kitchen is where I go to have fun. And that's what we're going to do today. We already been to Ingles and have all the ingredients to make my maple mustard chicken thighs. Let's get cooking. All right, let's begin. We have 7 ingredients here that we're going to combine in this pot right here, and we're going to spread it onto the chicken. Make sure your oven is preheated to 375, and let's get started. You have garlic, shallots, maple syrup. That's so delicious, so delicious. You have yourself some ground mustard. You have some Dijon mustard. And once this stuff starts hitting and mixing together, the smell just waffles up. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. You have your red chili flake and you have your marjoram. Marjoram is an earthy type of seasoning. It's similar to oregano, but I like to use it because everybody uses oregano. It's all about being different. So once you have those in your little pan here, you want to stir it up. For exact portions and amounts, please look at the recipe below. Get your measurements right. That definitely adds to the taste. So once you have this stirred up, you want to spoon it onto your chicken. Now, I'm using bone-in chicken thighs. Usually I use the ones that are skinless, but today we have skin on. And for this recipe, I would definitely do this 24 hours in advance, put it into a Ziploc gallon bag and massage the chicken and get the flavors all into the skin and into the meat. But today we're gonna put it on top right here. Make sure you spread it evenly across the chicken. So once you have all your sauce onto your chicken and tucked into the nooks and crannies, you want to slide this bad boy into the oven. That's delicious right there. We're gonna let that cook and we'll be right back. All right, we just pulled our chicken out of the oven. We have a crust. We see the clear running from the chicken when I pierced it, and now we're gonna plate it. So get your spatula, you bring your plate over, and so beautiful, so beautiful. We're gonna set all these pieces on this plate. There you have it. Maple, mustard, chicken thighs. That's looking beautiful right there. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Make sure and check out the rest of the site for more tips, tricks, and amazing recipes. I'll see you at the Ingles or check me online.